10 plus. I need it all.
10 plus.
I really like the new camera features with the bokeh mode and video because I think that's gonna have me leaving this behind and taking that instead.
All of the new camera features, the augmented reality, speed, the screen, battery, all of that stuff. If I gotta pick one though, I'm definitely getting a Note 10 Plus.
All right, so look, two camera nerds right here. I'm just put that out there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just say this, man. The Note 10, I've seen the Note 10 Plus camera, the Note 10 Plus camera with that depth sensor, man, it's changing the game. I don't know what algorithm or what software edits Samsung made, but they did the right choice.
What's up, y'all? CKID here, man, back with another video for y'all, man. And in today's video, I just want to show you guys a brand new feature that Samsung released on their brand new Galaxy Note 10 called Air Gestures. Now, this is a feature, basically what's going to happen is you can now use your S Pen to control movements within your phone. Now, right now, I believe it only works in 2 different applications. You can use it using the camera application, and you can also use it on YouTube. Now, they did mention that with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, that they have opened up the SDKs for developers out there to be able to create all kind of third-party movements and actions using the S Pen. So I am truly excited to see exactly what they come up with when it comes with the S Pen, because this is a very powerful tool, man, and I just can't wait to see what they come up with. All right, so with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and go into the phone, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this feature works. All right, so right now, guys, we got it all set up here, man, and I have my S Pen right here in my hand, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how this works. Now, all you gotta do to launch the camera app is just do a long press, and it's gonna launch the camera app just like this. Now, the next thing we're gonna wanna do with the S Pen, it's kind of like a motion you gotta get used to. Now, basically all you're gonna do is just do a single tap and press and hold and let go. So it's kind of like a one motion thing. So basically what I wanna do is just kind of press and hold and let go. Press and hold and let go. Press and hold and let go, and you swiping as you're doing that motion. And it's basically gonna allow you guys to be able to, I'm gonna stop that. And it's basically gonna allow you guys to be able to just switch through the different modes like so. Now, one of the different things that I like about this is that I can also flip this into selfie mode. Now, in order for me to be able to do that, all I have to do is just flip up like so, and it's just gonna flip it to myself, as you guys can see me. What up, y'all? So basically, you can go through the different modes and stuff like that. Now, let's say if I wanted to switch it on over back, and let's say I want to switch it on over to something like super slow-mo or slow motion or hyperlapse, I can do that as well. Now, this is, to me, one of the dopest features that you can get with this camera. Now, I don't know exactly all of the use cases that people are going to actually use this for. It's basically one of those things where you can just show them some of the cool features that your phone can do, because definitely I haven't seen this on any other phones that's currently in the market. And I think this is something that's pretty cool, especially if, you know, you want to get that perfect shot and, you know, you're standing away, or if you guys are a creator like myself, and let's say you shoot all of your videos on something like the, on a Galaxy device or a cell phone. This is a pretty neat feature for you guys to be able to use this. So this way you can record yourself, switch to different modes, take photos and all of that without ever having to even touch the screen. So I think this is a really neat feature, man. And one other thing that I want to show you guys that it can do is you can actually zoom in as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and swing on over here to photo. And let's say I want to go ahead and zoom in on a photo. I can also do that as well without ever having to touch the screen. And how that works is it's kind of doing like a half circular motion. So if I want to zoom all the way out, or I can zoom all the way in, keep pressing and holding all the way in, let go where you guys feel comfortable. And let's say I want to zoom back out, I can just do the same motion and zoom back out using this camera. Super, super cool feature, man, that you guys can do with this phone. And again, you already know with the Galaxy Note 10, you have 4 different cameras on here. You're gonna get your ultra wide, your normal wide camera, as well as a telephoto lens, as well as a new depth censoring camera. So basically what the depth censoring camera is gonna be able to do, it's gonna allow you to get those blurred out background photos that you guys see out there on Instagram that you guys can do. So, man, this is definitely one of the best features that I love about this. And again, this is something that also works in video mode as well. So if I wanted to do that same motion, I can zoom all the way in using photo, and you can see how close I can zoom in. I'm literally all the way inside of this building just like that if I want to, and I can start a video, or I can zoom all the way out, and I'll show you exactly how far in this camera can zoom in and how far it can zoom out. Crazy. So this cameraman is definitely super, super dope. All right, so that's pretty much how you guys are gonna be able to use Air Gestures with the Galaxy Note 10 with the S Pen. So if you guys have any questions, or if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys share this video with a friend, as well as go ahead and click on that like button and that subscribe button down below. As you guys know, that helps and supports the channel. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.